Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your lemon plant. First, choose a sunny spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Next, select a well-draining pot, ideally 15 to 25 gallons in size, to give roots ample space. Finally, use a slightly acidic potting mix with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5 for optimal growth. These initial steps are crucial for a healthy start. Proper watering and feeding are vital for a thriving lemon plant. Water deeply when the top 2 to 3 inches of soil feel dry, ensuring good drainage. During the active growing season, fertilize every 1 to 2 months using a balanced citrus-specific fertilizer. Remember to reduce watering frequency in cooler months to prevent root rot. Consistent care helps your plant produce abundant, delicious fruit. Pruning is essential for plant health and fruit production. Remove any dead, diseased, or crossing branches to improve air circulation and light penetration. Regularly inspect your plant's leaves for common pests such as aphids, spider mites, or scale insects. If you spot any, treat them promptly with an insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Early detection and treatment are key to keeping your plant pest-free. Finally, let's talk about harvesting and winter care. Harvest your lemons when they are fully yellow and firm, which usually takes 6 to 9 months after flowering. For outdoor plants, protect them from frost by covering them or moving potted plants indoors. Even indoors, ensure your lemon plant receives adequate light during the colder winter months. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.